In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OLE Excel error. This error often appears when Excel is talking to another Office program in the background, and that communication gets stuck. First, you need to close Excel and any other Office apps that might be running. Before you do anything, save your work if you still have access to your files. Give Excel a moment to finish saving so you do not lose recent changes. Then close Excel completely so no workbooks are open and the Excel window disappears from your screen. After that, close Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, or any other Office program that might be open. A common beginner mistake is leaving Outlook running in the background, which can keep that OLE connection active without you noticing. Make sure the taskbar at the bottom no longer shows any Office icons with an underline or highlight. Once everything is closed, open Excel again from your usual shortcut or the Start menu. When it opens cleanly, you should see only a blank workbook or the Start screen without any error messages yet. With Excel open again, you are ready to check the add-ins, which often trigger OLE Excel errors. Look at the top left and click File to open the Backstage view with the large menu on the left. In that menu, click Options near the bottom, which opens the Excel Options window in the center of your screen. This window has a list on the left and detailed settings on the right. From the list on the left, click Add-ins so you can see all the add-ins Excel knows about. On the right side, you will see active and inactive add-ins along with their types. At the bottom of this window, find the field labeled Manage and make sure it shows COM add-ins. If it shows something else, click the little arrow and select COM add-ins so you are changing the right group. Then click the Go button next to it, which opens a smaller COM add-ins dialog. In this small window, you will see a list of all installed COM add-ins with checkboxes. Uncheck every add-in in the list, so none of them are selected. Beginners often miss one checkbox, so slowly scan the list to confirm each box is clear. These add-ins are often tools that connect Excel with other programs, which is exactly where OLE problems can start. Once all the boxes are unchecked, click OK to close that small window and return to Excel. Finally, restart Excel by closing it again and opening it once more. After it reopens, the Start screen or a blank workbook should appear, and in most cases, the OLE Excel error will no longer show. You have now closed conflicting Office apps and disabled Excel COM add-ins, which usually clears the OLE Excel error. If this walkthrough helped you get Excel running smoothly again, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical Excel fixes.